Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'm gonna make a simple Filipino dish. So we call this Nilagang Baka, or in English this is beef stew. So the ingredients are very simple. You can do this at home during your quarantine period. So these are the ingredients. You can usually find this in the grocery stores, in the supermarkets, and the public markets. Since I am cooking a beef stew or Nilagang Baka, so the main ingredient is the beef. So you need to choose the beef bones because it is more tastier compared to some parts of the beef. Then this is just a white pepper. This is the key seasoning for our Nilagang Baka. We have patis or fish sauce. Then I have here yellow corn or sweet corn. This will add sweetness to our beef stew. So just to enhance the flavor, I have here nor cubes, beef flavor, slices of onions, slices of ginger. Then we have here potato. Then this is pechay. But you can also use some other greens like Chinese cabbage. This is the Tanglad. And you have the spring onions. Those are just the ingredients of our Nilagang Baka. So we will start now by putting first our beef in the boiling water. Okay guys, so this is now boiling, so we will now be putting the beef. We will just let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Then we will be noticing if there's some impurities coming out from the beef. Okay guys, so as you can see, there's a bubbles at the surface of the liquid, so we need to scrape all of this because these are the dirt coming from the beef. Okay guys, so at this point it is boiling now, and before I simmer this for about 1.5 hours, so I will be adding first the ginger, onions, and the lemongrass. This is the ginger, then I have the onions, and of course the lemongrass. We will simmer this for about 1.5 hours until the meat is done and tender. Okay guys, so we will check if the meat is already tender. So it is almost tender, but it is not yet enough, so we need to simmer this again for about, I think, 30 to 45 minutes. Okay guys, so we will now check if the meat is already tender. Okay, try to observe this one. Okay, the meat now is tender, so we will be seasoning this with the beef cubes, the pepper, and the fish sauce. So I will start first with the cubes. This is beef cube, just only one. Then I will put some fish sauce. So you need to estimate this first. That's enough for now. Then we have the pepper. This is white pepper. Then mix. So don't forget to taste. Yeah, it's already good. This is okay now, but I will add a little bit of fish sauce. Just a small portion of fish sauce. Okay, done. Okay, at this point I will be adding the potatoes and the sweet corn. This is the potato. Then we have the sweet corn. So sweet corn will give a sweet taste to our soup. Okay, we will cover this one, simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay guys, for the last part, I will now be adding the greens, the pechay and the spring onions. Then stir. So cover for about 1 minute. Okay guys, so we are done now. So this is my simple nilagang baka or the beef stew. So we will be placing this now in the bowl and that's it. Okay guys, so this is now my nilagang baka or beef stew. So to eat this one, you can put some, this is calamansi, and you have also some chilies to make this spicy. Then you can add more patis or the fish sauce, and also you can add more pepper. Just squeeze this calamansi to this bowl of nilaga. This will add sourness to our soup. Then you can add some chilies. So the patis and pepper will be optional, so as you eat your nilaga with rice, so you can grab some portion of the fish sauce and the pepper.